Istrike esikhulu se-Sundowns uLebo Mothiba bamdrobhile from i-match day squad uMiguel Cardoso. Sikhumbule ukuthi uLebo Mothiba bafowethu i-striker lesi esatrayela for 4 months ku-Sundowns before bamsayina permanent. UMiguel Cardoso waze washo naye ukuthi umsayina ngoba ubehavior kahle. He never said ukuthi maybe uzobasiza ukushaya ama-goals, no, wavele wathi umsayinela ukuthi uziphethe kahle, une-behavior right. I-favorite player yakhe, maybe umthanda as umuntu but namhlanje umdrobhile, ubonile ukuthi no, lo muntu lona ngimqalisile igame ebalulekile but wahluleka ukudeliver. Namhlanje-ke bamdrobhile laphana umfowethu akekho. Ayikabi but for mina I've always said that uLebo Mothiba is not i-caliber noma i-striker is-qualified ukuthi idlale ku-Sundowns. Angazi ukuthi naba futhi nibona kanjani, but abantu ngibonile even ne-comment section beyisho mengikhuluma ngaye bathi hayi nama-Sundowns awamboni kahle lo muntu lona ukuthi ufunani laphana ku-Sundowns, because i-Sundowns ine-striker man, hayi zi-static bafuthi i-Sundowns ine-striker, i-striker well, not ushukela that much but i-striker esikwaziyo ukumuva, even like is-comfortable on the ball, i-striker esikwaziyo ukushaya i-turn and shoot. Umjida ayikho into ayenzile ku-Sundowns, like uMiguel Cardoso. I remember uMiguel Cardoso, I won't forget the game adlala ne-Orlando Pirates eLoftus. I think for the first time adlala ne-Orlando Pirates lapha ne-Loftus last season, uLucas Ribeiro naye bekhona. Wathatha uPeter Shalilo wambeka esayidini, wathi uReynolds bekalokhu abaswitcha, but uPeter Shalilo ngoba i-striker, not just i-traditional striker nje kuphela but uyiplayer eli-hard worker. Noma ungalibeka esayidini but uyazi ukuthi uzotholani, uyazi ukuthi uzolwa lo muntu lona uzocontribute, akanaso leso skill leso, but-ke unayo i-bit of versatility. Ulona wayengithi u-Aubrey Mdiba manje, ulona uLebo Mothiba akusiyi equality le-Sundowns, but ucoach makakuthanda uyakuthanda, ingakho umfowethu usazoqhubeka wathola ama-opportunities. Sikhumbule even na last season umfowethu sambona ku-Champions League final bamfaka, well, not the Champions League the previous one, even naku-Club World Cup. Cabanga the first game yakho ethimini i-Champions League final, kwayibona lento le.